The Linux terminal often feels like an intimidating black box. Today, we are going to crack it open. We are going to generate a fully formatted, size-sorted system report and save it to a permanent text file. To begin, navigate to your Linux desktop and press Ctrl, Alt, and T at the same time to open your terminal window. Mastering the ls command provides the technical foundation for managing your system through the command line. The first step is to see what is currently in your directory. Type the letters L and S into your terminal and press Enter. The text output you see here directly correlates to the visual folders you already know, like Desktop, Documents, and Downloads. You can look inside a specific folder without moving into it. Type ls, add a space, and then type the folder name, for example, ls Documents. To see the contents of the directory one step backward from where you are, type ls, a space, and 2 dots. The terminal is a text-based map of the exact visual operating system you use every day. Your system contains files that are hidden by default. To expose them, add the A flag by typing ls space -a. In Linux, hidden files are denoted by a starting period, such as .bash history or .cache. To view detailed metadata for files, use the L flag to trigger the long format list. The terminal displays data in columns showing file permissions, owner, size, and date. The permissions block indicates read, write, or execute rights. These are grouped into 3 sections: owner, group, and other users. You can combine these modifiers to get a detailed view of everything. Type ls space -la to show long format data for every file, including hidden ones. Command flags act as lenses, letting you choose exactly which details of your files and folders you want to display on screen. When dealing with large amounts of metadata, you must sort the output to make it readable. Type ls space -l uppercase S to push the largest files to the top. Remember that Linux is case-sensitive, so a lowercase s will not work for this command. You can also use the asterisk wildcard to filter for specific file extensions. To view only HTML files within your documents, type ls space documents/**.html. Combining sorting flags with wildcards turns a generic list into a specific data query. Now that we have structured our data, we need to capture this size-sorted audit and save it as a file. Type ls space -las, then the greater than symbol, space, and out.txt. Your terminal will return a blank line. This is successful. The greater than symbol redirected that stream of text into a new file called out.txt. Run a basic ls command again, and you will quickly see out.txt now appears in your directory. For independent study, type man ls. This opens the built-in manual containing every possible flag. Press Q to exit the manual. Redirecting output allows you to create tangible reports, while the manual pages provide the resources to learn any command on your own. Close the terminal and open your graphical file explorer. Double-click the out.txt file you just created. Inside the text editor, you now have your terminal data neatly formatted and saved. You have successfully revealed hidden data, sorted it by size, and exported it into a shareable system audit. Subscribe for more deep dives into Linux mastery.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आप कोई भी अपडेट मिस न करें।